Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create sale funnel page in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write funnelkit. So this is plugin funnel builder for WordPress by funnelkit we will use. So click on install now, then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and we are using Elementor plugin. Scroll down on left side, you see funnelkit and then you see multiple options, and we are using free version, and then you see dashboard, so click on it. Now you see welcome, thank you for choosing funnelkit, so click on get started, and then you see plugin, so you can install and activate. You see multiple plugin, so click on it. Now activating, and then you see you are almost done, so you can add your email and then click on submit and finish, or if you want you can skip, so click on it. Go to dashboard, so we are in WordPress dashboard, and then you see overview, total order, total revenue. Then on left side you see funnel, store checkout, analytics, templates, setting, automation, cart. So first click on cart, so we are in cart setting, and then you see cart is currently disabled. Use enable cart option to activate cart on your store. Now you see enable cart, so status updated done, and then you see icon visibility, entire website, WooCommerce page is none, so you can select according to your requirement. On right side you see review your cart, so this is layout, icon position, hide cart icon, Ajax add to cart, auto open side cart you see, and then you see coupon field, minimize, you see multiple option, so you can do setting according to your requirement. Also you see checkout section, empty cart. Now scroll up, you see express checkout, so click on it. So we already installed Stripe payment gateway for funnelkit plugin, so you can connect with your Stripe account, so click on it and your account will be connected. Now we are going to create sale funnel page. On left side you see template, so click on it. So we are using Elementor builder, and then you see funnel template, checkout, sale funnel, lead funnel, and then you see Elementor. So we are going to add Elementor template, so we are using free version plugin. Now you see pro version template also. On left side you see analytics, so click on it. This functionality also available on pro version. On left side you see store checkout, so click on it, and then you see store checkout. Zero store checkout we have because we will import Elementor template with store checkout. On left side you see setting, so click on it. So we are in setting, and then you see default page builder Elementor we selected, so we are going to create sale funnel page in Elementor. And then you see permalink, checkout, sale page, opt-in page, so you can add permalink according to your requirement. And then you see Stripe gateway, so we activated plugin and you can connect your Stripe account. And then you see Google Map API key. On left side you see multiple options, checkout, opt-in, sales. Now we are going to create page, so click on funnels, and then you see create funnel or import funnel, so click on create funnel. And then you see sale funnels, lead funnel, so click on sale funnel, and then select Elementor, and you see layout, so we are importing free version layout. Now you see multiple layout, 4 steps. If you want you can click on preview, so click on it. So this is our layout, and then you see sale page, checkout page, one click upsell, but this page available on pro version. And then you see thank you page. Now click on import this funnel, so you can add your funnel name, product 1, and then you see step edit, sale, checkout, thank you, so click on done. Now you see funnel edit, and then you see landing page, checkout page, thank you page, so all design in Elementor. So if you want to rename or change permalink, so click on it, and then you see edit, so you can add name, URL select, so you can add according to your requirement. And then this is page URL. You see SP, if you want to change the sale page you can go to setting and change it, and then click on update. And then you see checkout, no product, so first click on landing page, and then you see design and setting, so click on setting. So if you want you can add your CSS code here, back to design, and then you see edit Elementor template, open it. Also you see page URL, so open it. Now back to page, so same way you can edit thank you page or checkout page, but now we are going to add product in checkout page, so click on it. So we are in checkout section, and then you see product, so click on it, and then we are going to add a product, so click on it. Now search product, now fetching, now select product, and then click on add. So you can add more than one product. Now product added. If you want, you can create product or add product according to your requirement, and then click on save. And if you want, you can add discount, and you can select discount according to your requirement from this drop down, and then you see quantity. Now change done, go to design. Also you see edit Elementor template, open it. Now go to landing page. So this is our landing page Elementor layout, so you can edit it according to your requirement. Now go to main landing page. Now refresh the page again, and then you see button, grab this now. So this button link to checkout page, so click on it. So now we are in checkout page, and then you see customer information. Also you see your product order summary. Now go to landing page again, and then you see link, grab this now. So you see link here, back to checkout. So we are in Elementor layout for checkout page. So you can edit this checkout page and thank you page according to your requirement. Now back to main checkout. Now you see your product order summary, and then you see payment gateway. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.